Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and making progress in life. Here is Priyanshu and welcome to the Infinity Mind. So today we'll be solving the problem remove duplicates from sorted array. So the problem statement says that we are given an integer array nums which is already sorted, alright, and we have to remove the duplicates from the array, and we have to do this in place and such that all the starting elements are unique and rest of the elements we don't care, they might be in any order or maybe anything. So let's say if there are total k unique elements, so the first k unique elements should be unique, all right, and the rest of the elements are not important. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. So if the example one, we can see that nums array is given 1 1 2, and we know that unique elements are what, 1 and 2. So our starting two elements, there are two unique elements, we know, 1 and 2. So in the nums array the starting two elements should be 1 and 2, and rest of the elements we don't care. In this example also, if I explain you with this example, let's take this example only. Nums array is given 0 0 triple 1 double 2 double 3 and 4. Now we know that unique elements, let's make an array of unique element. This will come 0 1 2 3 and 4. How many unique elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 elements are there. Now what we have to do, anyhow, in place algorithm, we have to, in place algorithm is that we don't have to use an extra space and we have to just modify this original array only. So we have to make this array such that starting elements are these unique elements, alright, and the rest of the elements we don't care. So how we can do this? So this is very simple. The intuition is very simple. Let's say we are given this array and we need to find the duplicate ones, all right. So what I will do, I will use two pointers I and j, and what I will try to do, my I will be here, alright, and now j will be at the second position. I know that my first number, because this array is sorted, I know that the first element in this array is at its correct place, alright. I need to take care of the second element and rest of the elements. So my this jth element is not okay. What I will do, I will keep moving j until I find a different element from this 0. So I will keep moving my j till I find a different element than 0. So my j is, I am starting j from the second element. So here I will say that my jth element is 0 and ith element is 0. They both are same. Move it. Now I will see that my this element and this element 0 and 1, both are different. So if it is different, what we need to do? What we need to do? We need to say what we need. We need one here. We need one here. So what I will say now go and place nums is the name of the array. Now place jth element at I plus 1th index. So now at I plus 1th index, this will be my 1 will be placed. Alright, now I know that my two elements are now good, sorted. Now what I can do, I can just move my I pointer ahead. My I pointer will be moved ahead. Alright, because these two elements are fixed now, and now I want to take care of the third element, so I will move I. So again I will just keep moving j until I find the jth element different than ith element. So here 1 and 1 are same, again 1 and 1 are same, again 1 and 1 are same, again I found a different element. Now what I will do, I will say go and place I plus 1th element as the jth element. So here I will place 2. Alright, now at my I plus 1th, that is this element, this will be my 2, and I will now increase my increase my I. So first I should rub this, and then I will increase my I, because I need to care of the now the next element. Again I will check my 2, I will keep moving j until I find a different element than I. 2 and 2 are same, no problem. 2 and 2 are same, move. Now 2 and 3 are different. Now I will say just go and place the next element as 3. So now here 3 will be placed, and I will move I now. So I will be here, 3 will be placed. Alright, now again 3 and 3 are same, move. 3 and 3 are same, move. 3 and 4 are different, place a new element. So here the next element will be 4. This I am just for showing, for explaining, but my original array I am modifying. Alright, I am modifying my original array. This was my original array, and I am doing this in place. Now I have placed here 4. Again my I will move now, because I need to take care of the next element. So now my j will move and it will go out of bound. So I will say that my first 5 elements are unique and are placed correctly. Alright, the relative order of the elements should be same, and they are in sorted order also. I don't need to take care of these elements. I know that these elements are now placed successfully and in place. So this was the whole logic. It was an easy question. So now, first of all I will declare the size of the nums array. This will be nums dot size. And now what I said, first of all I will declare two pointers. Let's say I, obviously this will be at the starting, and j, what I said, I will start from the first index, and while I will keep moving j. Alright, I can use a for loop also, but this I think it's more intuitive, so it's more transparent. Now what I said here, that I will keep moving j until I found a different element than I. So I will keep moving j, but if I find a element nums of I when it's not equal to nums of j, when any element is nums of j is not equal to nums of I, what I will do that I will say that nums of I plus 1 is nums of j. Alright, we already understood this. So nums of I plus 1, in this case the next element of I will be replaced with nums of j. Alright, and yes, we have to increase our I also, and then yes, we have to always keep moving j. No problem, we have to keep always moving j. Now what the problem is saying to return, we need to return k, all the unique elements. So we can see at the last, when j was going out of bound, I will be at the point from where to the left, from the ith index to the left, all will be unique elements. So this is at the index number 5, 0 1 2 3 4. It is at the index number 4, so the unique elements will be I plus 1. So I should return here I plus 1. Alright, now if I directly submit this and check my confidence and just see that it's my problem is successfully solved now. And if I tell you the time and space complexity, so we can see that we are running a while loop from 0 to the last element. So time complexity is only big of n, and space complexity, are we taking any space? No. So space complexity is big of 1. So this was all about this problem. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning and keep upgrading yourself. See you in the next video.